Everyone, welcome to Umkosi no Magajeni. I am Umagajeni. Umkosi ethana mhlaba bazala bamzitho. It's about ingane zaka Mseleku. If you don't know, Mseleku is a businessman, radio personality, TV personality, and a man that is well known in Izingane sakhe. Began a show that is called Uthando in Izingane that had 4 seasons, if I'm not mistaken, which umndeni wakhe nabantwana bakhe. But yeah, one thing about Mseleku, you'll never go wrong entweni nayo. Even if ama-show lawa ayenzayo ngaphandle kwale reality show yabo ne-female, everything ayenzayo he's on point. Ihlala isinika isigaca and uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe. Now I think one thing bayasho ukuthi into yehlela phansi. There'll be a reality show that is called Izingane ze'Sthembu, which is abantwana baka Mseleku. But abantwana babavezela abantwana abadala baka Mseleku, not ukuthi babaveze bonke, baveze those who are above 18, which is uMpumelelo. I saw uMpumelelo, I saw firstborn akaMayeni, I saw uSne, I saw umntana kaMakhumalo. Yes, I think ngibone laba bayi4. Then I'm looking forward to see ishow izoqala nge-27 June on channel 161, which is Mzansi Magic. Guys, we all know which one thing about Mseleku, you won't go wrong. Interview or nje ithando neSthembu, they always had something interesting and they always kept us good to sihlale sibukele TV. So guys, that is all for today. You can comment down below all your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.